Bring it on. Bring it on.
Today, January 31st, 2026, we stand at the start of something that is bigger than a ride. The Boss Ironman Motorcycle Cup in Mindanao. Hindi ito about speed. Hindi rin ito about shortcut. It is about discipline, brotherhood, and a quiet strength it takes to keep going. Checkpoint after checkpoint, hanggang sa matapos ninyo ang inyong nasimulan.
Kaya po nananawagan po ako sa lahat ng mga riders natin na kung po pwede, ride safe. Ride safe. Paulit-ulit ko pong sinasabi sa inyo. Hindi po ito karera.
Okay, isang paalala sa lahat. Ride safe. Kailangan huwag tayo maghahabulan, magkakaryahan. Enjoy lang tayo sa ride natin. May kailangan, lagi panatili natin yung disiplina. Kasi minsan, nakakalimutan natin yung disiplina pagdating sa riding. Kaya mabilis na mabilis tayo. Kaya disiplina lang talaga ang kailangan para sa ating lahat para makabalik tayo dito safe at ligtas ang lahat at masaya ang lahat.
As a fellow rider, just a reminder, ang palagi ko nga inuulit-ulit, walang premyo ang mauna. Tandaan niyo yan, ha? Baka wala nakakapagsabi sa inyo, walang premyo ang mauna. Pare-pareho lang ang matatanggap natin pagka tayo ay naging finisher.
Mga boss, ito po ay hindi karera. Kaya you don't need to rush up. I am reminding you na ito ay hindi, it's not all about speed, no?
So tandaan natin, sa ride na ito, bawal ang kamote rider. You are not here to prove that you are the fastest because PIMC is not about a race. You are here to prove that you are the most responsible rider. Ride within your limit. Respect all traffic laws.
We strongly advise you to follow what city and municipal ordinances about traffic rules or speed limits, as well as national rules on speed limits. Kasi po, we will not tolerate you or we will tell all those government agencies to apprehend you pagka po nag-violate kayo ng traffic rules, no? Hindi po namin kayo kukonsintihin. Kaya po remember, wag po tayong mag-violate ng traffic rules and regulations, no? Let's enjoy the ride. Let's enjoy the friendship, the camaraderie. Let's enjoy the scenery. Tingnan po natin kung gaano kaganda ang Pilipinas, especially itong Mindanao. Kaya po nakikiusap po ako sa inyo, mga boss, ingatan nyo po ang sarili nyo. Ginagawa natin to simply because we wanted to build camaraderie, no? We wanted to build friendship and we wanted to help the community or our country by promoting local tourism. Ito talaga ang main objective nito, no? Lahat po ng proceeds ng Boss Ironman, ginagamit po natin through outreach program.
Man like Kenny in the summer. Don't act like a bummer. Got him moving through the nighttime. And she sour like a ripe lime. And she mighty fine, so let's move it. And we get it two-stepping like we three-footed. Got me feeling like I'm in my new prime. Let's get it all right, all right. I just wanna have some fun. I wanna have some fun tonight, yeah. I just wanna have some fun. I wanna have some fun tonight, yeah.
May reminder only to our riders. Para abutin ganun kita, masimple lang. Huwag kayong mag-asaway. Diba? But that you can ride safely.
Man like Kenny in the summer. Don't act like a bummer. Got him moving through the nighttime. I wanna have some fun tonight, yeah. I just wanna have some fun. I wanna have some fun tonight, yeah. I just wanna have some fun. I wanna have some fun tonight, yeah. I just wanna have some fun. Have some fun. Have some fun tonight. So let's move it. Wicked present like a venom. Got me rocking all denim.
For the first time, after 18 years, basketball nation was included in the most unbanned Basketball Challenge. And as a Basketball, I am proud that we have included the Basketball nation in the history, party history of the most unbanned Basketball Challenge. Maraming salamat po!
Tonight, yeah. I just wanna have some fun. I wanna have some fun tonight.
Boss Ironman 2026, congratulations award sa riders. Nakapon big save lahat ang riders ngayong pag-win.
Sa organizer, congratulations and hoping and praying that next year babalik yung ruta sa eastern side para naman sa Davao.
So let's move it.
To everyone who made this event possible, thank you very much. And to all our riders, finisher or not, we are proud of you. Congratulations and mabuhay, Boss Ironman.